guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dakota. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm thinking maybe some money, probably like $100, maybe a little bit more. Well, we'll see, you know, we'll see. It's a little bit more simpler than the avatar, but we are a devil and I am feeling myself. And I should say a glam devil because we got some jewels. My horns are jeweled. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed with this look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Oh my goodness, I look freaking crazy with just one eye done. That is okay. I'm going to be fixing that right now. I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2 for this entire look. But before I get started, I'm going to go ahead and just do a little quick coffee break because it is late at night and your girl needs some energy. Okay? First color from the palette that we're going to be using is Living My Best. And we're going to go in with the Morphe E45 brush and pretty much packing that color all over my eyebrow and my lid and also around my eye. That way we can connect it later when we go in with the water activated face paint. Next step is using the shade Temptress from the palette, and we're going to be using the M578 brush from Morphe and putting that all into our crease. To blend that crease, we're going to be using the shade Crazy and a definer brush from Smashbox to blend that out. And to cut my crease, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape as always, and I'm going to be using a Morphe M421 brush. And for this step, I'm just using a flat brush and I'm using the shade Tipsy Girl and Empowered. And I'm putting that all over the lid before we go in with the glitter. With doing our under eye, I'm going back in with the shade Temptress, and I'm using a Morphe M432 brush. And then I'm going to use the blending brush that we used before along with the shade Crazy to blend that out as well. Now to bring our eye look all together, I'm going in with some glitter, And the glitter I'm using is from Glitter Injections, and it's in the shade Pretty and Pink. And I'm telling you, this glitter is the best glitter to use, just because when you put it on your body or your eyelid, you do not have to use any glitter glue to keep it in place. It just stays all together and there's no fallout. Before popping on our lashes, just go ahead and use a quick coat of mascara. And the lashes that I'm using is from the Lash Barb Cosmetics, and it's in the style Mini Brats. Oh my god, these horns are fabulous. I just can't get over them. But I got them from Amazon and I bejeweled them myself. And all I did was I used some lash glue to stick them onto my head and place them where I wanted them to be. All right, here comes the fun part. I'm going to be going in with the Diamond FX Face Art in the color red, and the brush I'm using is from Morphe. It is the G36. Now the reason I want to use this brush is just because it leaves no streaking when I'm using my water activated paints. Now I want you to get all up in that ear because it's going to be so much fun to clean that ear later. I'm just joking, it's a pain in the ass to clean the ears with water activated paint. Now for my forehead, I did not end up using the big Morphe brush just because I was scared that I was gonna hit the horn too hard and it was gonna fall off. So I'm using the Morphe E45 brush, and I'm not using the water activated paint here. I'm actually using the shade Livin' My Best to cover my forehead. And then I just decided, since it looks so good on my forehead, I was just gonna set my whole face. I wanted the horns to look a little bit more realistic when it pops out of my head, so I'm just going back in with the black shade, and I'm pretty much just putting the shade around the horn, and then I'm going to go in with another brush and blend out the harsh line. With my contour, I did not know what I wanted to do, but I pretty much just went in with that black shade and just winged it, and it came out looking so good. So thank God. But I used the Morphe E22 brush. I wanted my brows a lot darker just because when we used that red shade and covered our brows, it did take away some color. So I'm going to be using the black shade and I'm just outlining my eyebrow shape that I already have. And then I'm going to be using the angled brush to do hair-like strokes in the front of my brow to give it more of a feather brow look. The liquid lipstick I'm using is from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Weirdo. Now to make this devil a little bit more glam, I am going to be putting jewels around my eyes and also on my forehead. So first I'm going to be using my lash glue and I'm just putting it around my eyes on the spots where I want to put the jewels. And then I'm picking up a jewel picker tool and I'm going to be grabbing the jewels just to make it a little bit more easy on me since I do have long nails. And I'm going to just be placing those jewels over the lash glue. I am all done. I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my hair and paint my hands, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you love this look as much as I love it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I am feeling myself. Like, I don't even want to take this off, but unfortunately I have to. But I love the horns. I did this all by myself. I will have everything down in the description below. But pretty much the night before, actually yesterday, what I did is I just added all the jewels to the horns, and I did that all with lash glue, and I bought everything off Amazon. So again, check out the description if you would like to know all the stuff that I used, if I did not mention it in this video. And again, give this video a thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel because we are having a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. Well, I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys. A little bit more, not entirely sure. Oh shit. Horns, I'm gonna need you to get yourself together, horns. What the fuck? Oh shit. Look at this wild hair. Do you like my makeup?
Yeah.
Does that look scary?